Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can display distance-based shipping rates on your Woocommerce checkout. So let's get started. First, open up your browser. Google Chrome works best, and go to your WordPress admin panel. Log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, head to your Woocommerce dashboard. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Plugins. Then click Add New. In the search bar, type Distance Rate Shipping for Woocommerce, or any similar plugin like Flexible Shipping. Install and activate the plugin that best suits your needs. After activation, go to Woocommerce, then click Settings, then click Shipping. Here, you'll need to add a new shipping zone or edit an existing one. Inside the shipping zone, click on Add Shipping Method, then choose Distance Rate Shipping from the drop-down and click Add Shipping Method. Now click Edit under Distance Rate Shipping. Here you'll be able to configure distance-based rules like setting rates based on kilometers or miles, minimum and maximum distance limits, and even conditional pricing. Make sure you enter your store's origin address so the plugin can calculate accurate distances for your customers. From now on, when someone checks out from your store, Woocommerce will automatically calculate the shipping cost based on the distance from your location to theirs. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.